Hello. Okay, welcome back to Python Challenge for All. So, let's continue our work. So last time we tried to crawl images from the internet using package called iCrawler. That was interesting, right? Shall we try again? So we used this code after I wonder if there are still images of tiger. Okay, so after installing iCrawler is non-standard package, so we need to um, install it every time. To install using pip, we need to use bang, exclamation mark before pip command. Okay, so here we try to say um, use iCrawler and pathlib, and the keyword was tiger. So let's change this to say, for example, zebra. And this time, a new folder. We need to make a folder. All right. Uh, yeah, we need to make a folder here. I wonder why there is no um, folder making. So save deal is not SWD, but it should be path SWD, meaning that there will be new file. And then we need to do something like say save deal dot make deal. By that, we can make folder called zebra and then save it in save deal and collect 4 images and put into zebra folder. Let's run it. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So we have new zebra folder. There are 4 files. Okay, let's take a look later. Today's topic is display collected images using matplotlib. Okay, so we want to display a gallery of collected images using matplotlib today. So let's see, we want to show multiple images in a grid. Actually, there are only 4, so we'll line up in one line, okay? So to do that, first we need to create a list of images like this using savedeal.glob. This is interesting capability of pathlib. So image lib, image list equal list of savedeal dot glob and say file names are have extensions all in JPEG. So for example, this is fine. Okay. By this, we can make image L and also let's print them out. So by using this, we have 4 files. So each has post path and file name. This is kind of a magic to do the other work. Okay, so then prepare the display area using plt.subplots 4. So this means 1 row and 4 column area to display fig and axis area. So just this kind of a fixed area way of preparing, very applicable way of preparing the image area. plt.subplots, yeah, plots, okay, and 1 comma 4. So, and then we'll do the image display by using for loop. For each file, we use pill. Pill meaning Python imaging library. And we can open a file using image.open and put it into image. And we repeat it for each image. So we make for loop, for example, in range 4. For, if we don't want to use for, maybe we can write variable this and this, but this time just write 4 here. And for each time we open a file with image.open, image L, the ith file, okay? And put it into, oh, by the way, I forgot to import peel. So we want to do that here. And also from peel, import, say, image, okay? Also, just in case we forgot to do that, we use matplotlib, import, just as usual, matplotlib, pyplot, matplotlib pyplot as plt. Okay, this is kind of a customary to do this. Okay, open a file and put it to image. And then for I in range 4, ixi, image show image. So actually we need to do ax. So we have 4 axes here, namely naming it from 0 to 3. So we put the image im show, okay? Image show img. This will just display the image, okay? And ax. Also, we might want to, just in case, this is a way to make a caption of a file. For example, in this case, we use file name as caption, okay? So dot set title and imgl I and name dot name will take the last file name. This is all, okay? So lastly, as usual, we use plt.show. Let's take a look of the results. Okay, so we have 4 zebras. The images are taken from the internet. So what's wrong with this? Maybe we don't need these axes. So we also instruct here axi dot axis as quote off. So this will make it better, right? Okay, good. So file name and files. Just in case you don't like the file names are in wrong order, yeah, because 4 comes first, so we might want to sort here after listing. Sorted L will sort according to the file names. So we do it again and run it again to see that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we can do the same thing for tiger too. So for example, in case if you want to see the image of tiger, we can use these lines here, copy these lines, paste it here, and instead of zebra, we can write tiger and make a list of tiger images. And also we can display them. What's wrong? Out of range. Oh, there are only 3, I guess. One is missing. Oh, there are 4. What's wrong with this? Oh, one is PNG file. Okay, I see. then I might want to write, instead of JPEG, we can write question mark, question mark, question mark. So we can accommodate the PNG files, and I guess img share will work with PNG file extension will will work with IM show as well. So this is fine. Okay, did you see? There are some tricks about use of matplotlib and also PIL. So I hope this helps you. This might help you in the future for displaying images. Okay, so try yourself to collect many images and also display them here as this. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye.